No, no, no. No, what? No. Wait. No, you actually, no. What?
Go ahead and name any card inside the deck.
Okay.
Does the color look weird on my screen?
Oh, yes.
The J heart. I don't know.
Jack of Hearts?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you guys want me, just to show you I don't have any duplicates in the deck, I can write something on top of it for you. I can draw something. You want me to draw something on it or write initials on it or something?
A heart.
A heart? Okay. Let's see. I'll put a heart. I'll put hearts all over it since it's already a heart. I'll put more hearts. There we go. Lots of hearts. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so this is actually really weird. I don't even know how this works, to be honest with you, because if I take your card and I lose it inside the deck somewhere, it's really crazy. See, it's not on bottom. See, it's not on top. But what's weird is if I snap my fingers, it actually jumps back up to the top. Now, I can actually leave it sticking out so you can track it, and it makes it even more crazy. So I'll leave it in the middle, but this time I'll leave it sticking out like this. You can that way you can keep your eyes on it.
Okay.
Make sure I'm not doing anything fishy. Okay, so you see it's not on top. All right, so I'll push it in the middle. I'll flip that top card over, just like that.
They're watching a random guy do a magic trick. So cool.
Shut up.
This is actually really weird. If I bend the card, that way you know it's, you can really keep track of it. So I'll put it in the middle of the deck while it's bent. Okay. So check this out. It's bent up. Put it in the middle. And watch this. 1, 2, 3.
How the hell?
See, that's what I'm saying.
You got talent.
I don't even know how it works. Go ahead and name any card.
Ace.
Ace, which one? Hearts, clubs, spades, or diamonds?
Hearts.
Okay. Just so you know, I don't have any duplicates or anything. Do you want me to write anything on there, like your initials or smiley face?
LS.
You said LS or F?
Yeah, LS.
LS, okay. All right. So check this out. This is actually the way that magicians misdirect people, okay? So I'll take your card and I'll just lose it somewhere in the deck, like so. Now, if I were to take the cards and if I were to spread them out real quick, probably take you a while to find your card, right?
For sure.
Because I've actually misdirected you. It's actually already on top of the box.
What the hell? That's cool.
Now, if I lose it in the deck one more time, same thing. If I were to try to get you to find it, you definitely wouldn't be able to because it's actually already under the box. You can actually see the moment that it jumps. Check this out. So I'll take your card and I will push it in. I'll push it in over here on this side like this. Okay. It's actually in my mouth already.
Wow, impressive.
Now check this out. This is actually insane right here. I'll take your card. Okay. I'll push it in somewhere about middle or so. Just like that. The whole deck goes under the box, and I'm just holding your card only in my hand.
Is there a trick to it?
It's just misdirection. Just straight misdirection. I just basically, like, if I take your card, set it in the middle. This time, it's not in the deck. It's actually inside the box.
That's insane.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for showing me that.
No problem. So I've got the ace through 9. The ace represents number 1, so 1 through 9 of just random cards. And what I'm going to do is set them down, and you say down or switch. And when I put them, I can put them down or I'll switch them. So that way you mix them up in a completely random order. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So go ahead and just say down or switch.
Down.
Okay.
Switch.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
Switch. Switch.
And
Down.
all right. We'll do it one more time. This time, just let it out real quick. Say it real quick. That way it's random.
But I have to pick one or not?
Yeah, just say down switch one more time. We're just going to mix them up one more time real quick.
Okay. Switch.
Okay.
Switch.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
Switch. Switch.
Okay. So you made all the decisions and you got them all shuffled up, got them all switched up. So let's see what number you ended up with here. So 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2. So that's pretty random, right?
I have to pick.
Well, sure. I'll go ahead and run my finger over it real quick, and you decide
There.
where you want me to stop at.
Stop.
Right here,
Yeah.
number 9. Okay. Okay. So the order was pretty random. So we got 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2, and you had me flip over the 9. I'll actually show you here something really weird. I actually have this written on my arm here. 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2, and you can see I have the 9 crossed out. So that's the one.
Oh my god.
That's the one you chose.
You are really good.
Thank you.
Thank you for your trick.
Thank you for watching.
I thought that I don't want to understand you because I'm from Colombia, so I don't speak English really well, but I understood.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I think your English was great.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Pretty good. You want to see something pretty cool?
Hell yeah.
Awesome. All right. So, if you want, just go ahead and name any card you want. We'll use that.
Okay. 6 of Hearts.
6 of Hearts. Good choice. That's a good card. Just got to find it real quick. All right. So, just to make it fair, so you know I don't have any kind of duplicates or anything, I can write something on it for you, like your initials or draw something, smiley face.
Draw a star.
Star. Okay. Okay. So, got your card with a star on it. Now, check this out. This is pretty crazy. I'm going to show you how magicians misdirect people. Okay. So, I'll take your card and I'm going to lose it somewhere inside the deck like that.
Okay.
Okay. And now check this out. Now, if I were to spread the deck out, how fast do you think you could find your card? Probably take a while, right?
Yeah.
I've actually already misdirected you. Your card is on top of the box.
What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm a fool.
All right. It actually gets even crazier. So check this out. One more time. I'll lose it inside the deck. Okay.
Right.
Now, once again, if I were to ask you to find your card, it would be pretty hard because I've already got it under the box.
How? What the fuck? How did you do that? Oh my god.
Misdirection.
Did you just misdirect me again?
I did. You want to actually see it jump, though? You can actually see the moment it goes. So check this out. I'm going to push it in over here in the fan, okay?
Uh-huh.
Push it in. And it's actually in my mouth. It's already in.
Sir. Wow. What the fuck? You just mind fucked me.
Well,
What the fuck? That was so
I
cool.
think that's crazy. Watch this. So I'll push it in approximately middle of the deck or so, right? If I snap, See, the deck goes under the box, and I just have your card only in my hand.
No way. Oh my god. What the?
And I'll throw it in the middle of the deck. I'll throw it in the middle one last time, and it's actually inside the box.
No, it's not. What the? I am not high enough for this. This is too much. Damn, what the fuck? That's crazy.
Pretty
That
awesome,
was so
right?
cool.
Thank you. Okay, so the queen of hearts would be the money card, right? So you got a queen and a 9. All right. So if I take the queen, all right, and if I set one down, where would you say the queen is? Just a guess.
In your hand.
Good job. Now you see how the game works, right?
Yeah.
So to make it a little harder, I'm going to bring in an extra 9, just like the other one, to make it more distracting.
Okay.
All right, so watch this. So you got the object is to follow the queen, okay? All right. So what you got to do, if I take the 9 or the queen and set it down, you would probably bet any amount of money that the queen's there, but you're actually already following the wrong card because that was a 9 that I sat right there.
What?
Now I'll actually show you. I'll even tell you the moment I'm doing the move. Okay, I'll take one of the 9s and I'll just set the 9 down. Right, you can clearly see what I have here, but you actually once again we're following the wrong card because the queen is right here.
What?
Now there's too many cards. Let's get rid of the queen for a minute, and I'll show you. So I have a 9 of spades, right, and a 9 of spades.
Yeah.
Where would you say the queen's at if you had to guess right now?
Under the table?
Okay, well that was actually a 9 that I sat down there.
I told you that. What? What you said?
So I'll bring the 9 back. All right, now check this out. What's crazy about this is if I wanted you to lose, you would actually always lose because every card is now a 9.
What?
Yeah, but
Wait, how'd you?
but
No.
if I wanted you to win, you would always win though. So check this out. And all the cards can become queens.
What? Oh no! My brain is gonna explode.
Pretty insane, isn't it? Completely insane. So go ahead and just name any card in the deck.
The king.
King, clubs, hearts, spades, or diamonds.
Diamond.
King of diamonds. All right.
Yeah.
Now I actually made a prediction in this deck ahead of time, and I used the aces. And I flipped them all over like this, so you could see. There they are. All right. Now these aces, they're actually from a different deck. You can see this deck here is completely blue. These are from a red deck, but I actually wrote on these and marked them ahead of time. And I actually wrote the king of diamonds.
Wow, that's crazy. Card picture. That's crazy.
Thank you.
Wow.
Alrighty, well thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great night.
Thank you too.
See ya. So I made a prediction in this deck, and I made it ahead of time. So if you actually go ahead and name any card, and I'll show you my prediction.
Any card.
Any card you want.
Let's see. 3 of hearts.
3 of hearts. Okay, so I made this prediction using the aces. What I did was I flipped over all the aces, and you said the 3 of hearts?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's see here. So that's 1 ace. Where is the other one? Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's 2, Where is the other one? There's 3 aces. And there's the other one. All right, so 4 aces, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now what's crazy is these aces here are from a different deck. So you can see this is actually a blue deck here. And then these ones are from a red deck, okay? And I actually wrote on them ahead of time the 3 of hearts.
No. No, what? No. Wait. No, you actually, no. What? No. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what you did, but I just can't. Because,
That's just a little,
okay, I'm gonna,
little prediction.
what? No.